Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X1 and Mini Countryman. We'll explore how these two premium compact SUVs stack up against each other. While both offer a blend of luxury and practicality, they cater to slightly different preferences. The X1 often appeals to those seeking a more traditional BMW driving feel, while the Countryman offers distinctive Mini charm and character. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, the BMW X1 often boasts a slight edge in raw power and acceleration, with its robust engine choices. However, the Mini Countryman counters with its signature agile handling, delivering a truly engaging and fun driving experience. Both models provide a comfortable ride for daily commutes and longer journeys, and you can find either with capable all-wheel drive for varied conditions. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really supports us. Quick recommendation: make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for packing snacks for your next road trip in your X1 or Countryman. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, both vehicles offer premium materials and thoughtful layouts. The BMW X1 typically provides a bit more space for rear passengers, making it comfortable for 4 adults. The Mini Countryman, on the other hand, shines with its distinctive and quirky interior design, packed with character. Cargo capacity is quite similar, offering around 25 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding significantly when folded.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.